Hi guys, welcome back to Yorb's DIY channel. Okay, I just got here the solar panel I bought at Shopee around 5 days ago or 7 days ago. And this is the 150 watts solar panel, which is the cheapest that I searched at Shopee, with around 4,200 pesos including shipping to Bohol. So bubuksan na natin siya. So imagine the height, it's almost I think 5 feet, 150 watts. It was shipped by GNT, so it's well packed with bubble wrap. Good job on GNT. Medyo makapal na yung yung bubble wrap. So talagang makapal para hindi ma-damage yung panel. Okay. Go. Okay. There's my name on it. The brand is Bosca. It's a German technology. Hopefully it's legit, not fake. The back, we have it's 160 watts. This one is monocrystalline, perfect with connectors, two connectors, the negative and the positive connector. So far it's perfect, and this will be the series of videos that I will be showing to you guys on how to set up a DIY solar panel system at home. Kasi ngayon in Bohol, it's the electricity is medyo mahal na, so it's better na mag-solar na punta, additional solar panel. Thank you and have a good day.